Okay guys, we're back and Kanye has spoken. He has tweeted in the last couple of hours that all current coins are fake and that he's launching next week. So a lot of people at the minute are trying to work out how to buy this as soon as possible. Well, I have a bot for you that will scan Twitter accounts and buy tokens when that Twitter account talks about that token. So if they post a contract address, then you're in. So when Kanye posts the contract address to his token, the bot that we're about to set up will buy it immediately. And the bot I'm talking about is SolSniper. So I have been using these guys for a little while now. I'm a little bit unfamiliar with some of their other stuff, but I've been testing a lot recently because I know they had this feature. I'm going to leave the links to their bot, their website, everything in the description below. They've got a Discord and they're really, really helpful on Discord. I've asked a few questions to them today. So what we're going to do is go to the bot. Once you've clicked on the link, it's going to generate you a wallet. Once you've generated a wallet, you're going to need to fund that wallet. It will give you a seed phrase. What I highly recommend you do is add that seed phrase to Phantom. And then obviously it just means it's a lot safer. I recommend everyone when they're using these bots, just make sure you add the wallet from the bot to Phantom and then fund it from there. So this is the wallet it's given us. So as you can see, I've funded it a little bit with some Solana just for testing. So I'm going to show you how to set up to copy Kanye West. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to just run a few little tests on my own Twitter account just to show you how it works and how it buys. And then also just the sell window, just so you know how to sell. So for now though, what we're going to do, once you've set your wallet up and you've funded it, you're going to just / and you're going to go Snipe X. Snipe X, that's all you need to put in. So once you've done that, don't send it just yet. You're going to go to Kanye's Twitter account and you're going to copy his handle, which is Kanye West. And what we're going to do, we're just going to paste that after Snipe X. Now, if you were to hit send now, it would start following this Twitter account. However, it'll only follow it for 3 days and that's just default. So what we're going to do is after this, we're going to put a space and we're going to put 7D for 7 days. Now, this is the maximum amount of time that you can follow a Twitter account for using their bot. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit send. And it's going to say that it's subscribed to Kanye West with a 0.01 Sol buy. And you can leave it at that if you want. However, what we're going to do, we want to change this value. I don't want to buy 0.01 Sol. I want to buy more than that. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit view X snipes. So what we're going to do from here, as you can see, I've already got my Twitter account set up here, which is the top one. And here's Kanye West's one. So as you can see, it tells us that we're going to buy 0.01 Sol and it expires in 7 days because we changed it when we entered his wallet address. And it's also going to buy anything that he replies to. Quote, it's going to check for replies, quotes, retweets and follows. And obviously anytime he tweets, you can untick these if you don't want these ticked. But for now, we're just going to go and click on his handle. And this is going to bring up the menu. So let's just change this buying to 2 Sol. We don't want to buy 0.01. We want to buy 2 Sol. Now to check these, we're going to just click on the menu and we're going to scroll down to view Snipe X, which is going to show us our active X snipes. And as you can see now, it's updated and it's changed the Kanye West one to 2 Sol. So that's all you need to do, guys, and you're up and running. So now whenever Kanye does tweet in the next 7 days, a contract address, this bot will automatically pick that up and it will automatically buy it for you. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just show you an example now through my Twitter account. This is just my degenerate Twitter account that I post crap from. Right, let's just take this for an example. I've just found this. I don't know what it is, but what we're going to do, we're going to take the contract address. We're going to go to my account. We're going to just tweet here and then we're going to post. And we'll just see how quickly this takes to buy. Straight away. Within seconds, that's bought that. Now I'm going to just delete this because I don't want anyone buying this. Obviously, that's bought that really, really quickly. Now, I did speak to the team and they did stipulate that the token has to be relatively new. Like this won't buy old tokens. So if an account you're following buys an old token, it won't buy it. And also if the account that you're following talks about it multiple times and tweets about it a lot, it won't just continue to buy the same token. It will buy it once and then it won't buy it again. So I was testing with this earlier. I bought a token, then I went back to rebuy it and retweet about it and it didn't buy it again. So that's just something to note. So let's just click on all positions here, and this brings up the positions that you're in. So as you can see here, I've been testing, I've been playing around with it. So the token that we've just bought is North Korea coin, and we're actually up 13% already on this. So you can view chart, and it will take you to the Sniper website, and it'll actually show you the chart and where you bought it. As you can see, they've sold, they've bought, my buy was here. So what we're going to do, we're just going to sell this. I don't know anything about it, so I'm going to just sell this now. So let's just click on NKC, which is the North Korea coin, which is what we just bought, and we're going to just sell 100%. Processing your order. Order sold. Okay, so that is basically it, guys. In another video, I'm going to go through more and more settings, take profits, etc. But for now, I just wanted to get you set up with the Kanye launch to make sure you knew what you were looking at and knew what the notification was going to look like when we buy it, and you knew how to sell. But for that, guys, if any of this was valuable to you, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. If you could, I would really appreciate that. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.